good morning students. Today we will discuss a very important concept, commission to partner. First of all, we discuss the concept about that, then we come into the question number 7. Okay. Commission to partner. There are two ways of giving a commission, as we discussed in class 11th also manager commission. But here you have to give the commission to the partner. The first condition is if the commission is given before charging any commission. Means you have to give a commission before charging any commission. How we calculate that? Commission profit amount into rate of commission given in the question upon 100. So you have to see before charging it is shared or after charging it is. Now we come to the next condition. If the commission is given after charging commission, then it will be calculated how commission is equal to profit amount into rate of commission upon 100 plus rate of commission. The commission is charged after charging, then we add the percentage in 100. Okay. Now we are coming to the question we are discussing here. Question number 7 we are going to discuss. Okay, question number 7 we are doing. We read the question first of all. Question number 7. Asha and Lata were partners in a firm sharing profit or loss in the ratio 1:2. The ratio is given 1:2. The Asha is entitled to a salary of 2 lakh rupees per annum. The salary you have to give Asha 2 lakh rupees per annum. Okay. After that, you have to give a commission 8% of the profit, net profit before charging any commission. You have to give in commission to Lata Asha before charging any commission 8% of the profit. Before charging. What formula will be used? This formula will be used. Okay. And Lata is entitled to commission 8% of the profit after charging her commission. Lata, you have to once again given a commission to Lata 8% per annum after charging her commission. This formula will be used. Okay. The profit for the year is 31 March 2021 given 5,40,000 rupees. Okay, you have to make P&L appropriation account. How we make P&L appropriation account? I'll let you know about that. First of all, we write down have profit here by P&L account. The profit is given 5,40,000. Okay, clear? Now what we have to pay to the partner that will come to the debit side. You have to give salary to Asha. So you write down here to salary Asha. Salary is given per annum yearly. So we write down the total amount here 2 lakh rupees. Okay. After that, what you have to give? You have to give commission to Asha and Lata. So we write down the commission also be paid to the debit side. So 2 commission. First of all, Asha. How we calculate? The amount of profit 5,40,000 into before charging. That means the rate of commission upon 100. In that way it will be calculated. The rate of interest upon 100. It comes 43,200 rupees. Okay. Now you have to give commission to Lata. It says after charging. Then Lata. Amount of profit is 5,40,000 into the rate of commission 8%. And after charging means 100 plus rate of interest. 100 and the rate of interest is 8. So it comes 108. In that way it will be calculated. Okay, it comes 40,000 rupees. Then we calculating that 5,40,000 means we calculating the profit. Profit 540 into 8 or 108. It comes 40,000 rupees. Okay, in that will be done. Now what we gonna do? All the things being paid. Now we calculate the profit and distribute the partner in the ratio 2:1. Making a total of this one 5,40,000. Okay, 5,40,000. Okay, whatever profit is there, out of this we minus this one. So whatever left is called profit. It comes 2,56,800 rupees. The profit is left after minusing this. That will be distributed between partners. What we write down? To profit transfer to 56,800 and the ratio is 1:2. That means 1 and the total of that is 3. Once again 2,56,800 into 2/3. Okay, in that will be divided. So it comes, for that we calculating the profit, and the profit come 85,600 for him and 1,71,200 for love. Okay, in that way the question being done. We have to take care about the commission here, and we know the formula how to calculate. I hope you understand. Have a good day. Take care.